Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video on my channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you all how to know who visited your Facebook profile. So the first thing you need to do here is log into a Facebook account. So I've already logged in, and you need to go to your profile. And as you go to your profile, on your left hand side you will see a blank gray space. Right click here and click on view page source. So after you click on view page source, a new tab will open. My internet is super slow. And as this tab opens, lots of codes will appear on the screen like this, and now you need to press Ctrl plus F. After you press Ctrl plus F, you will see a box on your right hand side. So in that box you need to type initial chat friends list. So type initial chat friends list and press enter. Now you need to scroll down a bit and you will see lots of codes in sequence. Yep, here it is. Look for the word list, and after the word list you will see codes here, and these codes are the Facebook profile of your friends who have visited your profile. So the first code means this person has visited your Facebook profile the most, second means second, and the sequence goes on. So copy this code and go to your Facebook, and on the address bar paste this code, facebook.com/ the code, and press enter. So this person has visited my Facebook profile the most. Yep. So you can find yours, and please remember one thing, that this method will only show you the person who are on your friend list. So don't expect someone who is not in your friend list. So yeah, this is it. This is the simple and easy step. I hope this video helped you. Now you can check who has visited your Facebook profile the most. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I will be uploading more tips and tricks in the upcoming days. Keep supporting. I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.